Ever wondered what's new in the world of flowers? Well, buckle up because today we're diving into the realm of innovative flower products that are sure to blow your mind. Hi, I'm Rosie, your guide to all things floral here on the 416 Flowers channel. Before we get started, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our blooming content. And if you're already part of our flower-loving community, welcome back. We're thrilled to have you here. Now let's get to the good stuff. Today, we're featuring some of the most innovative flower-related items that are not just beautiful, but also incredibly unique. From flower-infused beauty products to edible flowers that can jazz up your meals, the world of flowers is evolving in ways you wouldn't believe. But that's not all. We're also going to explore some high-tech flower products that are revolutionizing the way we care for our beloved blooms. Imagine a smart vase that can keep your flowers fresh for weeks, or a flower delivery drone that brings your bouquet right to your doorstep. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But trust me, these products are as real as the roses in your garden. So whether you're a flower enthusiast looking for the next big thing, or you're just curious about the fascinating world of flowers, this video is for you. Stay tuned because we're about to embark on a floral adventure like no other. Before we wrap up, I want to give a shout out to 416 Flowers, your best choice for flower delivery in the Greater Toronto area. With fast same-day delivery options, deliveries 7 days a week, and the best prices, they're the go-to place for all your flower needs. So the next time you want to send a bouquet to a loved one or simply want to brighten up your home with some fresh blooms, head over to 416flowers.com. That's all for today, folks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And remember, let's spread love, one flower at a time. Until next time, keep blooming.